What is self-esteem? Self-esteem is the perception you have about your own person. This also influences the way you interact with the people around you and the way you establish relationships with them. For example, the way you get along with your family, friends, life partner, but also professional performance, social interactions and stability on several levels of life. Every person can have low self-esteem at certain times. However, if you focus on the positive aspects of your life and on a correct opinion of yourself, you can overcome the less pleasant moments and look with optimism towards the next stages. It is natural for any person to have periods when his self-esteem is low or high, because it fluctuates over time and depends on different circumstances. A person with low self-esteem tends to compare himself with those around him, and most of the time comes to the conclusion that he is not good enough or as valuable as others. Here we can be talking about family members, friends, or the professional circle. This type of person rather focuses on his faults and weaknesses, for which he often blames himself, and minimizes the qualities, which, most of the time, he ignores. Precisely because of this, he becomes afraid of failure, which is why he avoids opportunities that may arise, a career advancement, an event where he would have the opportunity to speak in front of an audience, a relationship as a couple or simple friendship, but which he feels he would not deserve. Increasing your self-esteem doesn't mean believing that no matter what happens, you can't fail. Nor does it mean believing that you are always right, regardless of the topic of discussion or the situation, or considering yourself superior to those around you. Instead, healthy self-esteem is the basis of a balanced and harmonious relationship with yourself. Ways to be more confident in your love relationship or in relationships with those around you. Love yourself. Love yourself first of all. This is the only way you will be able to love your neighbor. Self-esteem, care, respect, knowledge. All these aspects are so important in a relationship. Why? Because the more care and respect we have towards our own person and the more responsibility we show, the more love we have for ourselves. The more we will be able to show these feelings in a loving relationship. Now let's find out some important things about you. What makes you valuable as a person? Write down what you like most about yourself. What do you like most about yourself? Are you in first place in your life? Do you live in harmony with yourself? Write all these things down on a piece of paper. If you live in harmony with yourself and love yourself, you can continue to offer love, patience, you can listen and understand better the people around you. Even more than that, by valuing yourself, you teach others to look at you with the same eyes. If you are aware of your qualities, they will be seen and appreciated by others. Define your values. Create a list of values that guide you in life. Not in mind, take a pen and a piece of paper and write them down, black on white. Then define each value separately. Did you write transparency? Now write what transparency means to you, with examples and action plans for the future. You don't have to have dozens of values, just choose 3 or 4 things in the vision of which to do any action and turn them into your personal brand. These will eventually become part of your work style and make you easier to recognize by others. Try to discover the real things that motivate you. Once you have determined what your values are, they will help you understand your true motivations. The process involves a journey back in time to find 3 or 4 memories that have positively marked you throughout your life. After thinking, put them on paper, write the reasons why these memories are so important to you, how you felt then, who else was involved, how these experiences affected you over time, etc. Then create a mental map to find the connections between the memories. What is similar in all these experiences? The similarities you will discover represent your deepest desire, implicitly your main motivation. Think what it was: the desire to be around another human being? Ability to solve a problem? A chance to express your creativity? Imagine that once you discover your true motivations, you will be able to follow your true path. Only true motivations have this power, and unfortunately, many forget what motivates them during the journey, and this makes the road to success difficult. Pay attention to the way you look and smile more. The truth is that each of us has more self-confidence, and we give our best when we are dressed. We wear elegant and comfortable clothes, well cared for shoes, and we are well rested. The idea is that a beautifully arranged person will always make a good first impression. This is because of the halo effect, and appear more charismatic, more confident in their own strengths. Then, the smile is another weapon that you can use with confidence. People were made to smile and react positively when they see another sincere and beautiful smile. Happy people are self-confident. Try to find a reason to smile when you interact with others. Be confident. This attracts those around you like a magnet, through your attitude, through your energy, through what you convey as a person. You don't have to do anything in particular to impress others, just be authentic so that your actions don't come from a need for validation, approval, but from a desire to honor yourself and follow your path, regardless of who agrees or disagrees, regardless of whether you will be applauded or not. And don't forget, you are the most important person for you. If you are well and happy, you can offer the best of yourself to those around you.